There, lovelies. So today I am going to paint a landscape. There's my palette. I'm going to be using cadmium yellow, lemon yellow, burnt sienna, burnt umber, cream, black, cerulean blue, and ultramarine blue. If there's any other colours I incorporate into that, I'll let you know. I'm going to make all my greens with the yellows and the blacks. So let's get started. Great blue. I'll mix the cerulean, the ultramarine, and the black, and some cream. Add the cream. The sky's quite grey actually. But anyway, there we are. So let's add a bit more blue to it. I like it patchy like this. See all the different shades in there. It's not even. Darker here, lighter in the middle, more blue here, cerulean blue. I'll just paint in the sides because I always paint the sides, my canvases, to match the painting. Now, there. While it's still a little bit wet, I'll add just a bit of warmth into it in the form of the burnt sienna here and there, even a little bit of the burnt umber. Yeah, let's get that in there. It gives a sort of pinky brown. That one. That'll do. That'll do for that. Now, I'll probably do some more layers. Quite a few more layers. Right. Now, yellowy green. That's the, again, different shades of green now. See? I didn't wash my brush. I didn't wipe it even. I just went straight. See that? I don't know if you can see that, but there's bits and pieces going on. Different shades, different colours, different things. That's what you want. Right, this is going to be a nice landscape. Small, suitable for beginners. Going to put my tree line there. Let's go in with some dark green, just so it reminds me when I'm going to put the tree line. We'll get a smaller brush, actually. In a minute, I'll just put my tree line there. I'm going to go much darker with the trees, just to remind me. And I'm going to do it on a slant as well, like this. I like the cadmium yellow as well, for greens. That. Right, so I think I'll lighten up this grass here. Why not? Just use a bit of lemon yellow and black. Predominantly lemon, really. That's nice. Put a bit of light into the trees as well. Yeah, put a bit of light into these as well. That's nice, look. Why not? Put a bit of light. They're not all one shade, are they? You know, all different shades. That's nice. Put a bit of light there. Leaving the dark exposed in places. Right, I'll darken that. I've got some dark here. I just use that and so if I can just take a second to mention my sponsor, KraftGeek. They make easels, and if you're looking for an easel if you paint plein air, you go out painting, this is the easel for you. I take it out with me all the time. So I'll leave the details in the description box. Lovely, Bob's your uncle. There you go. Right. Now let's put in another line, just for a bit of fun. Let's put in another line of trees. So I'll make it green. Dark green. Let's go in there like that. Let's do that as if it's like, let's do that. Now the trees are going to be, let's have a look on it. There. We've put a fence there, you see. It's like a paddock. These are like paddocks. We'll have a dark background because I'm going to put a fence, a white fence. Just shapes like this. There, like that. Let's do light there. There. Let's try. See what happens. There. There. You can always make it more, a bit more pronounced. Want to. There. How's that look? There you go. Now, of course, you can put some. We could put some nice. Let's do it dark there, so that we can put some grasses in there. Yeah. Let's do the sky first because that needs doing, doesn't it? Right. So let's try and put a bit of a cloud in. Just there. light in the sky. I might put a bit of pink down there. I'll deal with that in a minute. Right, let's do a little bit of pink. Just mix some red and some cream, really. Let's have a look. Make a nice rose pink, add a little bit of blue. Let's see what we've got here. Add a bit of ultramarine if you want a rose pink, and even a dab of black. Let's see what we've got here. Pink. I'm going to go over that with, I'm just going in there because it's a bit bare. But, yeah, I'll go over that with cream in a minute. A little bit of pink down there. There, just go right over that to make it into like a more of a lilac-y type of colour. There. Right. There, like this. Quite like it. Not too bad, not too bad. Might come in here with the blue now, like grasses in a minute. Ooh, too dark, but that's okay, it'll be alright. You can always get a baby white and there. I'll put it down at the base. Let's do this. Right, now I'll just put a bit more cream. Got enough colour in the sky. Strip a bit of cream. Like a highlight. Let's do a couple of highlights. There. There. And there. Like that. It's looking alright, isn't it? Put some grasses in there. Like that. I might go in there with a bit of blue, actually. Let's see. Okay, so the grasses, all I did was I had a dark background, you know, irregular, not straight across. It goes up, it goes down, and, you know, irregular. Then I scratched into it with a sharp palette knife into the dark. then I got some very dark olive green, and I did a sort of upward movement with seed heads on there. A good colour for that is the just gently touch it. A good colour is to raw sienna and cream. Put some down here as well. And if your these grasses here, hang on, we're a bit thick. Just scratch into them. To thin them out a little bit. There you go. That's all you have to do. There. And that's about it. That is about it. So it should be suitable for beginner. And I'll show you a close-up of it. So there we are. So I hope you enjoyed demonstration and that you'll have a go at it. And if you did, it'd be lovely if you would like, share, and mainly subscribe to the channel. I'd be very pleased if you did that. And you can see my future videos. If you press the notification bell, you'll be notified of any videos that I put up. The channel can be supported by pressing the thanks button. And with that, I'll say bye for now. And as always, love from Cornwall.